In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Snapchat video sound not working. So please watch the video until the end and follow this tutorial step by step to avoid making mistakes. So let's get started. So the first thing you want to do if you have this problem on Snapchat is go to your phone settings. So this could be a bug for your Snapchat application. Now go to your app settings and search for Snapchat. Now scroll down until you go to storage and you want to clear its cache. So clearing its cache fixes a lot of bugs from your Snapchat application. Now, if it still doesn't work, you want to go back and go to the Play Store. Now search for Snapchat and make sure that your Snapchat application is updated to the latest version. So if you have an outdated Snapchat application, this may cause some bugs and probably makes your video doesn't have any sound. So that's it. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.